Hey guys, I'm Shawn coming at you from Waco, Texas. How you doing? Today we're going to learn how to play a song by Cream called, what is the name of it? Badge. I just forgot the name. All right, let's take a listen. And so forth. Hey guys, welcome to webpianoteacher.com, our online community where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. I'm going to help you do that right now. All right, so I always mention that we're from Waco, Texas. I love Waco. I always have loved Waco. It's especially neat now because we've had this kind of revival in downtown of all the shops coming back and just Magnolia, the whole thing, and actually Waco was coming back even before Magnolia, so it's kind of neat. It's just the restaurants we have and shops, and actually our kids' school is right in the middle of all of that, so we get to go watch football games. It's just kind of a dream come true kind of thing. So we love Waco, and we think you should come visit if ever you need a little vacation or something. It's cool. All right, so let's get to the board and we'll get started. So. This song, it's a great song, and finally it's cool because my wife knows every song I think there is to know, and I knew this one, and she said she never heard it, so there's a first. Yeah, rub it in. She's in the control room right now. So the song doesn't start with piano, but I like to include, if there's a guitar part or something, I want to put that in for you guys because I want to play it if it's part of the song and it works. Because our instrument is able to do something that no other instrument is. We can copy the sound and style better than any other instrument I think there is. So that's one of the reasons I love piano. We can do this guitar part here. There is a kind of a keyboard sound in the right hand that we have, and then you hear the bass guitar, which I wrote out for you guys. So this is just the very beginning of it that you can include or you cannot include. But let's do it for those of you who want to do it. So A on the bass, and then we're going to go C sharp to E, back to C sharp. So dum, bum, bum, bum. I got a little hook on the C sharp because it's a little bluesy on the bass guitar. They slide up a little bit on that note. So if you just do a little C natural before the C sharp with 3, 2, dum, bum, 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 like that. Dum, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. If that's too hard, just do this. Don't worry about it. But if you want to put it in there. Now, the right hand, G, C sharp, E. We're just kind of vamping on that chord. You can start by just playing the right hand every time the left hand plays. And then later on, kind of keep an eighth note rhythm, bum, 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 bum. But you want to avoid going do, 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 like you sound like it doesn't sound like that, right? So sometimes playing, one of the notes, but not so loud. So here, A, C, F sharp. Okay, we had an A7 here. If you just look at the right hand, you can't really tell it's an A7. It looks like a C sharp diminished. But if you put the A chord, the left hand on the bottom, you can see, oh, it's an A7, A, C sharp, E, G. And absolutely no pedal on this, you'll ruin it. So no pedal, D, 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 D. All right, on the bass does that, bass guitar, D, 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 D. Right hand, A, C, F sharp. This is going to be a D7, D, F sharp, A, C. So, it's not too much right hand. And there's a space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom, boom. So a whole count there, you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 2. Then you go back. See the 2 there? You do it again. Here's the second time. So here you have the bass, dun, 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 but this time on the second time, dun, 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 F sharp, G, G sharp, A. That's a lead in, okay, to the A there. So if you want to do a piano it, you want to piano it a little bit. Do octaves. That may be a bit much. But F sharp, G, G sharp, A. And then we actually start that piano part here that we all know. And guys, I forgot to mention, if you are a member of the website, you can download the sheet for this. Now, this is just a little snippet of the sheet here. I have it zoomed in. But as a member, you can download the sheets for all of this. And it's very helpful when you're practicing to be able to print it out or do like I do. You know, I wonder how many people do this when I give you advice to put a monitor, actually. Monitors are so cheap these days. Get you a monitor that's just for your music. You know, moderate size, and hook up the PDF to it and blow it up and make it big so you can see it, okay? And it really helps, I think, to do that, because then we just see this little part and we can work on this section without being intimidated by all the rest that's on the sheet, okay? Just work on that one section. So just kind of blow it up to the part you're working on. And some of you even know how to, do a markup of the score to help you to practice. So yeah, mark it up, do anything that helps you to learn it. But anyway, you can get the sheet as a member. All right, back to the board. We're going to play this now. So after you worked on this measure, then you work on that one, which should take, some time, maybe 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Some of you maybe an hour. That's okay. Then we go to the play part. Well, we learned it. Now we're going to play it for a while. Slow. I kind of don't like silence there. So I'm going to play a little bit more right hand there because it's just piano solo. So I want to fill that a little more. All right. And of course, we do the whole thing on webpianoteacher.com. Been doing this for almost 15 years. So there are a lot of lessons on the website. I mean, you got to have songs on there that you love, because I've done so many of them in the last 15 years. And there's truly a lifetime of music. If you love music and you love, even if you have a particular genre you like, you'll be able to find tons of songs and lessons on the stuff that you like and build a repertory of songs that you enjoy playing, that you can play all the time, that you can play for other people. Don't forget, learn, play, share. The last part of that is share, where you share what you could do with another human being. Don't forget that part of it. Very important. Guys, I had fun today. See you on the website.